Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay dyan!
Po, my name is Ailey. Ang greatest strength po ni Mama is kahit pagod na po siya, kaya niya pa rin po mag-worship every Sunday.
Hello po, I'm Jasmine, and for me po, my mother's greatest mothering skills is pagluluto niya po kasi po hindi ko po maitatanging masarap po magluto si Mama. Ayun po.
Hello, I'm Red and I'm Teen. We are the twins of tacos. And ano po, yung mother strategy po na meron po yung traits yung mama ko, yung ano po, magaling po siya mag-strategize when it comes sa ano po, customer po, yung pakikipag-interact. Ayun po, like what she said, magaling po si mama when it comes to interaction with the people. And halimbawa po, when she offering a product, nakakabili kagad yung customers. And because of that, ito po yung natutunan namin na interaction towards the customers and also the sellers. Ayun lang po, thank you!
Hello po, ako po si Steve and I want to share the skills na meron yung mama ko po. And she is really good of taking care of our family and the place po. Kasi masipag po siya mag-alaga and maglinis sa mga bagay na kinakalat ko din. So yun lang po, I love my mom. I'm grateful for her and I'm really happy for her life. Happy Mother's Day, Mother. I love you so much. Mwah!
Yan. Ang greatest skill po ni Mami ay magaling magluto.
Happy Mother's Day!